guys, here we go. We are on ArieForce One.
Yay! Also called AFO.
AFO. Oh my God. Whee! Hooray!
Love the little funky bit.
All right, and we've got buttons over here. See, yeah, it's like that Millennium Falcon ride. You just push a button like every few seconds. All right, here we go. I'm excited about this. How you guys doing back there? All right. At the top, everybody hands up. Oh my God, here we go. Oh, wow. Ready? Whee! Oh, wow, man. Oh, whee! Oh, I love that. Upside down. Woo! Oh, crap. Oh, ejected outer bank weirdness. Whee! Whee! Oh, and one more. Yay! Woo! Oh, man. Oh! One more just for fun. Whee! Hooray! Oh my God. Oh, the air time. It's insane. And it's a lot. Whoa! Oh, wow. How was your AFO ride, guys? Good. Oh, that was good. That was a lot of air time. All right, guys, here we go. We are on the Hurricane. I will say this is definitely a slightly older and a little bit more throw you around type of ride. So let's see how we do on this one. All right, we are at the top. I'm gonna hold on this one because this is a yeah, this one will throw you around. Oh crap! Here we go. Oh! Whee! I like that little float that you got. Oh man. Oh! Woo! Oh, tight turn, tight. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh yeah. Oh, there's the jankiness. Gotta love it. Whee! Oh man. Oh, oh God. Oh wow. Oh, that ending part leaves you with a memory you're not gonna forget. All right, you guys ready back there? Here we go. The Sea Serpent at Fun Spot Atlanta. Here we go. Hooray! Oh man. Oh, you do slide around. Oh God, watch your head. Watch your head. Oh wow. Oh, we are bouncing around. Oh man. All right, this is all about you guys. Hands up all the way around. Here we go. Hooray. Oh man. Woo, watch your head. Oh. Are we good? Yay! All right, guys, here we go. Backseat ride on AFO. Let's do it. Oh crap! Here we go. Oh man. Oh God. Woo. Get a beautiful view of the rest of the park and the rest of the ride from up here. Look at that. All right, guys, get ready for it. I am not ready for it. Holy crap! Oh, was like, what, 6 airtime moments and a tooth chipper thing at the end. What a great ride. All right, so here we are. We're doing the back car of the Hurricane. Now, as you can see, there's only 1, 2, 3 cars. And you'd not think that the couple cars back would make a huge difference, but it does. Because you look at the layout of this ride, it is very tight, it is very compact, and it really does throw you around. Okay, we are hanging on. Jack, you all right up there? Give me a thumbs up if you're good. All right. Oh, he's not going to be good after that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, you feel every bolt. Oh man. Oh crap, crap, crap. Oh God. Oh. Woo. And here we go. Oh, there we go. There. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my God. What is that? Oh God. Woo. Oh my God. I hate it, but I love it. Oh my God. That air time. What? Oh God. Oh man. Wow. That's like being in a car accident. I mean, like, wow. Wow, what a ride. At the top, everybody hands up. Oh my God, here we go. Ride, guys. Good. Oh, that was good. That was a lot of airtime. Backseat ride on AFO, let's do it. Oh crap, here we go. Oh man. Oh God. Woo.